me susu se nipakuo bi wo omayimu a e wo se omukọ back to Facebook, X, any Instagram. Baby omo yes post bia no ga say they all Ghanaians an apology or some Ghana for achew
they post
man me gidi
NKWASIAFUOR mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana&C0 so but one more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn notifications so be next time videos of this nature ba wo so sabe tima kabi say the munim dan e from Mr President wo from Mr President me just the amount na ye di nkomo sa na abusua assemble chimanje kakra Y0u Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the next president of the Republic of Ghana, a clash with S3nse Katia. Yinya except NDC krama ni bia omo manso omo njene gede beto from bi omo katina befa decided to say they will come after his excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. But let me tell you, our communication lord has issued a very profound and well stated statement. If you try to go after Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, he will come after you. As simple as that. You people are so much of hypocrisy. You people are full of hypocrisy and empty-headedness. Hypocrisy. And they Bonebe pana Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Bono ye say, Yinche Koko Kiafoka. No, you took the chess platform to announce to the world that cocoa farmers are struggling. Now, me patch politics and starting free sorry. Starting free sorry then.
So my point is that let us be careful. Yeah, Makacho say we NDC near. Don't be happy with certain things. Now no obi kobusa question. I must say onye Nsenchoni papa. And then you are there. Me who ye 24 say Kevin ebien no awon CID in what capacity? Where why? Hey, no, you all want to see this away. Why?
Says he had night.
No, me person me who say, you see, and you maybe I'm a person me can, but me person me nyaneti say, he is nobody to even decide. They say, what one will be, who will be in what capacity? What's your America? Yeah, tia me cool. Debi America say, me the police you, me peer. What you say? And so it is easy for you to stay somewhere and then shout and all those things. It's because of Kasa. Government for any appointees for any be thrown into no, which is normal. Wow. Oh yeah, which is not because yes we are born, and I don't doubt his influence or the NDC pay by, but know your limits because Y0u John Mahama will never ever underestimate the work of you can say Papa Kufuor.
Okay, President Kufuor.
You understand?
President Kufuor.
What did the President Kufuor? You can attack maybe on the policies be yeah. But to the extent so be one no catch and say, hey, no,
I don't want us to repeat that.
No, but I'm just saying, say it is nonsense.
Wow.
It is nonsense. You don't do that. Let me tell you, you don't do that. Because you are not the only man here. Just because you have platform, yeah, be being talking. But you don't do that. Now I'm disappointed. NDC for Mumudine to me who say Obiaka say Kevin Taylor, a dear way dear, why dear, me who you. Then you are insulting Papa Kufuor. Somebody at John Mahama to me, president into me, how do you say, Onyare, Nani Yari or baby and Koboy or Yazan? How do you say that? Papa, on Wakwaye, BBSC over 80 something. BBSC, na, untimin transe. Naka kankakra, or Yari when you was final problem. Baby, I would dream, ye concern home pibo. What you say? Sure.
Nintina will share President Kufuor achievement.
That is it. So, okay. No can say, Obincha, President Kufuor, Juma Ben or or complete year.
Like seriously?
Yes.
Hey, wow.
And you are who fact checking Kufuor. When to me, I'm fact checking one who say there are a lot of things President Kufuor. Let me tell you, CDD report, the only president that had an approval rating of 72% and ended with 76%. We see that. Normally, I shall say next but President Kufuor, would they check it? CDD report? I will share with you. Approval rating at that time was 72% of all exiting. 2008, now 76%. Being see that. President Atamio Sube take by 2011, now 53% to say. John Mahama de by 32, and around 2016, echo so kakra. Ode ase and so take cry and you can say Nana Akufo-Addo be fan around 70 something and on no kono about 30%.
Wow, and never form.
You understand? And John Muhammad the NM 60 so until beating the record of President Kufuor. Opa check the approval rating according to Global Info Analytics and less than 70%. What you say approval rating and less than 70%. But Kufuor started with approval rating of 72%
and finished with 76
and finished with 76% according to CDD. Let's be careful. Share your platform. Share. There have been times that we have been harsh.
Exactly, you've gone overboard.
We've gone overboard. Yeah. But yet not say no. Be careful. And Agyeta say I dear way there. Man can ye. Do you expect Unyaki talk Kevin tell us on patch? Or no on patcho.
Oh, okay.
Mimi na mini no. On patcho. Me krani me oba be didi matem but no ma no say me mini aketo ano no timi those things me na say otimi di matem o wi an maka gen say we ndi matem enu onko to aso onim say me metimi onu awoni adebo di matem sa be tra weso enti NDC fo nani age ti ade ti anam so wagi me papa koto aso and one to aso so we have our ways of doing our thing.
It is a me koto pure water. Me top pure water 8 cedis 2 years ago and a year ago. Necessary time now not a inflation why your top petrol 14 cedis a liter and then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12 now inflation nam 23% not dollar nam 15 cedis any other day na me to no crano na me to pure water a bag back 8 cedis na se nyame ya dom dollar na free 14 cedis and 15 cedis about 11 petrol no ate
about 2 cedis a free.
Yes, inflation no ate by 20%
point.
Let's still here 2 pure water anymore 12 cedis here. What is the basis amode to sadi manum? Still not PURC4 ebe catch say ECG and Ghana Water Company Limited say yanto water bill mo yanto light bill mo. What is the basis? Mujina so and they increase light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi so. Anyone say your money in our form. It is also for to start this question. Well, Musana out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to ask
legitimate question.
Not ask out of ignorance.
Me Pacho Mankasa he asks out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say ignorant. Me say Mankasa me tell on my dear me can say me say my men are some not but when some now can. That's what both people have been saying. And it's up to the government to explain things to them.
And your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance. I mean, okay, so me can say. Asam na okano. Interest enema bo enkwosru.
But the
tie the okano want the odo mapani can say was it a body was it a penny say was it pure water a costro and I mean say inflation about for ma and can the rate at which things will be increase you know the empanifo na minimum woman na say commission akache and say and can be cost like say can bia it has also done train na ebia nka inflation no and can bia nya 3 cedis in ka be ka ho say no mo ka say the rate at which things will be increased no e be ba for what you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, Omaka, me tia and I two Amanda make her say a buying say what the inflation about this number, and now you soon say a base rate a 16 advance of the or the above 14. Me boy. Me come catch say a baby or maybe operating under single digit piano or more base rate so a cost single digit. Me boy, and now. Say about me can say petrol about for me. About no dia you trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know someone here can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh unti the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa nene man from kaka yes I no kan yes but this can yama bono eba from but you must say was a public and a crime my no omoko fan man but how much this one abanu create another environment
but say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obusa aban obusa me no wie
so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa niema we nyina wie no aban na ye ne de wie na say bonten so for no je de wie so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5
yes
now so and they were not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflationary rate no the rate at which Enyema increases
yes
if a year 8 cities the inflation rate of 3.2%, I'm expecting about 8 cities 50 pesos.
I got 50 pesos 30 pesos
now
20 pesos.
It is 12 cities, which means on the basis of
yes.
You know, the inflationary rate on the pure water, about 25%.
Yes.
And as I told the mission, so 8 cities.
Yes.
Now inflationary rate at 3.2. Now if I could do 12, the inflationary rate no. Me want to say the increment no, which things are increasing no. I about 27 or 28%. Yes. It does not reflect the 3.2.
Exactly.
And notice there will be inflation about 3.2 and just say be inflation about 3.2 there was a increase
yes
but at a decreasing rate which is 3.2
yes
but they are too just no about 25%.
Yeah.
So people ask what is the problem?
Single digit.
Yes. Inflation about third single digit from 9 about from last year. It has been consistent for almost 6 to 8 months. So we should see say idea Eurasia.
Yeah.
It will cry insignificant.
Insignificant.
It should be like 8 cities 10 pesos. 8 cities 20 pesos. When you free 8 are copying 12. 4 cities. Come on.
He is
Mama wale no kura no wo yire woni ne ye no wa ye ni ye awado kwa ye tumi ti wutum cause ye say has to be kana senya front door na wo pe ba bi fufuro bi akofa ye tumi ti wutum ye mra no wo hodada nanso ye tena ho ma akoa bi a wa se bi o sebe sogum boto a ensu ato aguso eye na bet say shoulder pad ya ye dey call he can tata show. You know, this LGBT thing, you know, and like the president is complicit. I can tell you on authority, the president is complicit. Make ensure you so many for. Make pram for the ensure the year ko be fresh and my and na kocha pram and mama sabi ya ni na abolo we and ensure the year ko. Sa kwa sia ni to me set tie. Na onu abegina wo etintim sabi awrade nyankopon na bo no de mu behu say nya den ya omo ntena aba mu forever police na edi na chi no one day be free Sam George de mi omo free aba bia me bo no say we ya mema me nu ne yechia na ye de me bo na papa na no ni na because our boy no this boy President Mahama any Andrew Solomon no mo koda mpa so wonim de obeka aye de na Mahama e ka no se mu wie fia enne ye tumi aya ma ya dada ye ni na me na ya sofo ne ye himfu di na NDC fu dada mo Ebra Mahama be di ade first no turumu asem ye ba yo e ba ye na die na sambol kan he sambol e die na o kan he o say Enkrofo face day to day, you know, the obi no obi ya wadam the family ho ben that was Sam George. And net to me as Sam George ne ono na ban paintino. Ya be that will say Sam George na de bill be ba e be kire say oba ne oba ntumi na e na be ma ne be ma ntumi na e ya de wo ho dada o emra ne say untumi. There Sam George I can say yemia mu na instead of 6 months ya be kwa akodem no yenye ni 3 years. Ma me papa wutie me de enti a yentumi ansan sa bill ne say NKWASIAFUOR we di koche mu say meti we na madam for Freddy Hennessy eye nkrofo ni bia na me ma me kan tra ban say akwa we ya madam for na yedi ni turu mu a esese me so mo che me ka ho ewo bill na mo de call yi mu. That is one of the things that people didn't agree with. Sorry.
bill na ekwa na omo ye ne de nti a ankwa na omo de koto court no na me tire mu nne no for some of you amunim no one of the main clause we woman say me akwasi apia me te compound house ye nipa 17 ene ye te compound house me nim de asabi sister agi oye woni dem na yakwachi agi say agi ni oba na eda yes ye ya te fie ho ni na ye te obi nti ye nim say agi ni oba oni oba na eda na ya mekanti ye so ye ntaade ye nka ho e ma yes e de